Hello my dear students, welcome back to you in your maths class. I am Afroz Alam sir from Shivrat Singh Children Academy. Today I am going to teach you about chapter 4 parts and rules, and today's topic is addition and subtraction of fractions. Okay students, today I will discuss about subtraction of fractions. Now let's start question number 19. Look at here carefully. Question number 19. In this question, here given that find the difference. Here we find that the difference between given fractions. Okay. Find the difference. Question number 19 of A is here given that 5 mixed 3 over 10 minus 3 whole 5 over 12. Okay students, look at here carefully. Here given that a mixed fraction. Okay, here given that two mixed fraction. Firstly we have to change the given mixed fraction into an improper fraction. Okay students, look at here carefully. Firstly we have to take the multiplication of 10 by 5, then add 3. Similarly in this we have to take the multiplication by 12 and 3, then add 5. Okay, look here we can write 10 into 5 plus 3 over 10 minus 12 into 3 plus 5 over 12. Okay, after multiplying these we get 10 into 5, 10 5 is 50 plus 3 over 10 minus 12 3 is 36 plus 5 over 12. Okay, after adding this we get 50 plus 3 is 53 over 10 minus 36 plus 5 is 41 over 12. Okay, okay students, look at here carefully. Here we get 10 and here 12. Because the denominator 10 and 12 are not same, therefore we can take the LCM of 10 and 12. Okay, 2 5 is 10, 2 6 is 12, 2 3 is 6. Here we get 5. 5 is not divisible 5 by 2. 5 is not divisible by 2. Therefore here we can take 5 as same. 2 3 is 6. Therefore here we can take 3. Okay, we know that 5 is not divisible by 3, therefore we can write 5 as same, and 3 1 is 3, 5 1 is 5. Okay, then LCM is equal to 2 into 3 into 3, 2 into 2 into 3 into 5, 3 into 5, 2 2 is 4, 3 is 12, 12 5 is 60, 12 5 is 60, 2 2 is 4, 3 is 12, 5 is 60. Okay, understand? Look here given that 10 and here 12. We know that 10 6 is 60 and 12 5 is 60. 10 6 is 60 and 12 5 is 60. Therefore we can take the multiplication of 6 in this numerator and denominator, and here we can take the multiplication by 5 in this numerator and this denominator by finding the same denominators. Okay, look at here carefully. Here given that 53 over 10 minus 41 over 12. Okay students, In this fraction we have to take the multiplication by 6 in numerator and denominator, and in this fraction we have to take the multiplication by 5 in numerator and denominator for getting the same denominators. Okay, look, 6 3 is 18, 18 of 8 carry 1, 6 5 is 30 plus 1 is 31 over 10 6 is 60 minus 5 1 is 5, 5 4 is 20, it means that 205 and 12 5 is 60. Okay students, look at here carefully. Here we get 60, 60 as same, therefore we can write 60 only one time, and we can write the difference of 318 and 205. After subtracting these we get look 8 minus 5. Look at here carefully. 318 minus 205. 8 minus 5 is 3, 1 minus 0 is 1, 3 minus 2 is 1. It means that after subtracting these we get 113 divided by 60. 113 divided by 60. Distance, this is an improper fraction, therefore we can change the given improper fraction into a mixed fraction by taking the division of 113 by 60. Okay, 61 is 60. After subtracting this we get 3 minus 0 is 3 and 11 minus 6 is 5, 53. Okay, therefore the mixed fraction is 1 mixed 53 over 60. This is the answer of this question. Okay, 1 whole 53 over 60. This is the answer of this question. Okay students, if any student have doubt in this question, please ask me on my personal WhatsApp number. Okay, now read this. Okay students, question number 19 of B. In this question here given that 7 mixed 4 over 9 minus 3 mixed 7 over 15. It means that 7 whole 4 over 9, 3 whole 7 over 15. Okay, okay. Firstly, we have to take the multiplication 9 and 7, then add 4, and in this fraction firstly we have to take the multiplication by 15 and 3, then add 7. Okay, look at here carefully. Here we can write 9 into 7 plus 4 total upon 9 minus 15 into 3 plus 7 total upon 15. Okay, okay friends, look at here carefully. After multiplying these we get 9 7 is 63 plus 4 over 9 minus 15 3 is 45 plus 7 over 15. Okay, after adding these we get 63 plus 4 is 67 over 9 minus 45 plus 7 is 52 over 15. Understand? Listen, look at it carefully. Here we get 9 and here 15 are not same, therefore we can take the LCM of 9 and 15 for finding the same denominators. Okay, 3 3 is 9, 3 5 is 15, 3 1 is 3. Listen, 5 is not divisible by 3, therefore we can take 5 as same. 5 1 is 5. Okay, then LCM is equal to 3 into 3 into 5, 3 3 जा 9, 9 5 जा 15, 3 3 जा 9, 9 5 जा 45, 3 3 जा 9, 9 5 जा 45. Okay, look here, given that 9 and here 15, we know that 9 5 जा 45 or 15 3 जा 45. It means that if we have to take the multiplication by 5 in this fraction, then we get same denominators. Okay, and if we have to take 3 in this fraction, then we get this equivalent fractions. Okay, students, look at here carefully. Here given that 67 over 9 minus here given that 52 over 15. Okay, in this fraction we have to take the multiplication by 5 in numerator and denominator, and in this fraction we have to take the multiplication by 3 in numerator and denominator for finding the same denominators. Okay, look at here carefully. After multiplying these we get 5 7 ja 35 of 5 carry 3, 5 6 ja 30 plus 3 is 33 over 9 5 ja 45 minus 3 2 ja 6 and 3 5 ja 15 over 15 3 ja 45. This one, look at here carefully. Here we get denominators are same, therefore we can take 45 only. Okay, and we can write 335 minus 156 as this type. Okay, look, after subtracting these we get 335 minus 156. Okay, since look here given that 5 and here 6, we know that 5 is less than 6, therefore we can take one borrow from this 3 and this 5 makes 15. 15 minus 6 is 9. Here we get 2 in place of 3. Here we get 2, and we know that 2 is less than 5, therefore we can take one borrow from this 3 and this 2 makes 12. 12 minus 5 is 7. 12 minus 5 is 7. Okay, and here we get 2 in place of 3. 2 minus 1 is 1. Okay, after subtracting these we get 179 over 45. This is an improper fraction, therefore we can change this improper fraction into a mixed fraction, this improper fraction into a mixed fraction by taking the division of 179 by 45. Okay, understand? 45 5 ja 45 3 ja 3 5 ja 15 of 5 carry 1, 3 4 ja 12, 12 plus 1 is 13, 12 plus 1 is 13. Okay, distance. After subtracting this we get 9 minus 5 is 4, 7 minus 3 is 4, and this is 0. That means that cancel out. Look at here carefully. After dividing this we get 3 mixed 44 over 45. 3 mixed 44 over 45. This is the answer of this questions. Okay, if any student have doubt in this questions, please ask me on my personal WhatsApp number. Okay, students, now read this. Okay, Okay students, now let's start question number 19 of C. Question number 19 of C is here given that 6 whole 3 over 4 minus 2 whole 7 over 10. Okay students, look at here carefully. Here given that two mixed fraction, therefore firstly we have to change the given mixed fraction into an improper fraction. Okay, firstly we have to take the multiplication of 4 and 6, then add 3. Similarly we can take the multiplication of 10 by 2 and then add 7 in this fraction. Okay, look at here carefully. Here we can write 4 into 6 plus 3 over 4 minus 10 into 2 plus 7 divided by 10. Okay students, after multiplying these we get 4 6 are 24 plus 3 over 4 minus 10 2 are 20 plus 7 over 10. After adding these we get 24 plus 3 is 27 over 4 minus 20 plus 7 is 27 over 10. Okay, understand? Okay students, look at here carefully. They are given that 4, they are given that 10. We know that 4 and 10 are not same, therefore we can take the LCM of 4 and 10. 2 2 is 4, 2 5 is 10, 2 1 is 2, 5 is not divisible by 2, therefore we can take 5 as same, 5 1 is 5. Okay, then the LCM is equal to 2 into 2 into 5, 2 into 2 into 5. Okay, 2 2 is 4, 4 5 is 20. We know that here given that 4 5 is 20, 4 into 5 and 10 2 is 20, 10 into 2. Okay, therefore in this fraction we have to take the multiplication by 4 and in this fraction we have to take the multiplication by 2 for getting the same denominator. It means that for finding the same denominators. Okay, look at here carefully. Here given that 27 over 4 minus here given that 27 over 10. Okay, since in this fraction we have to take multiplication by 5. Okay, here we have to take the multiplication by 5 in numerator and denominator, and here we have to take the multiplication by 2 in numerator and denominator. Okay, look, after multiplying these we get 5 7 is 35, of 5 carry 3. Dear students, please keep in mind here we get carry 3, 5 2 is 10 plus 3 is 13 over 5, 4 5 is 20, 4 5 is 20 minus 2 7 is 14 of 4 carry 1, 2 2 is 4 1 5, 4 plus 1 is 5 and 10 2 is 20. Okay, here we get 20 20 are same denominators, therefore we can take 20 and we can take 135 minus 54 as this type. Clear? Okay, after subtracting these we get, look at here carefully, 135 minus 54, 5 minus 4 is 1, 13 minus 5 is 8. It means that after subtracting these we get 81 over 20. Dear students, this is an improper fraction. Okay, this is an improper fraction, therefore we have to change this improper fraction into a mixed fraction by taking the division of 81 by 20. We know that 24 is 80. Okay, after subtracting these we get 1, then the fraction is 4 whole 1 over 20, 4 whole 1 over 20. This is the answer of this question, 4 whole 1 over 20. Understand? Okay students, please write the given questions in your maths fair copy. If you have any doubt, please ask me on my personal WhatsApp number. And after completed the given classwork, please show me. Okay, now read this. Okay, students, now let's start question number 19 of D. Here given that 5 whole 4 over 5 minus 4 whole 1 over 6. Okay, 5 whole 4 over 5 minus 4 whole 1 over 6. Firstly, we have to take the multiplication by 5. In this 5, then add 5, then add 4. Okay, firstly we have to take the multiplication of 5 and 5, then add 4, and in this fraction we have to take the multiplication of 6 and 4, then add 1. Okay, distance, look at here carefully. 5 into 5, then we can write 5 into 5 plus 4 total over 5 minus 6 into 4 plus 1 total over 6, total upon 6. Okay, after multiplying this we get 5 5 is 25 plus 4 over 5 minus 6 4 is 6 4 is yes 24 plus 1 over 6. Okay, sense. After adding these we get 25 plus 4 29 over 5 minus 24 plus 1 is 25 over 6. Okay, friends, here we get 5 and 6 as denominator, and the given denominator are not same, therefore we can take LCM of 5 and 6. Five is not divisible by 2, therefore we can take 5 as same. 2 3 is 6. 5 is not divisible by 3, therefore we can take 5 as same. 3 1 is 3 and 5 1 is 5. Okay, then LCM is equal to 2 into 3 into 5. 2 3 is 6, 5 is 30. We know that 5 into 6, 5 6 is 30 and 6 5 is 30. Okay. Okay, distance. Therefore, here we use Caesar method. Okay, it means that we have to take the multiplication by this and this and this. Okay. Okay, distance. Look at here carefully. Here we use only this method. Okay. Then here we get 29 by 5 minus 25 by 6. Okay, distance. In this fraction we have to take the multiplication by 6. Okay, by 6 in numerator and denominator, and in this fraction we have to take the multiplication by 5 in numerator and denominator. Okay, after multiplying these we get 6 9 is 54. 54 of 4 carry 5. 6 2 is 12. 12 plus 5 is 17 over 6 5 6 is 30 minus 25 5 is 100. 25 over 30. After subtracting these we get, look at here carefully, 174 minus 125. Here we get 4 and here 5. We know that 4 is less than 5, therefore we can take 1 0 from 7, and this 4 makes 14. 14 minus 5 is 9. Okay, and here we get 6 in place of 7. 6 minus 2 is 4 and 1 minus 1 is 0. It means that cancel out. Therefore, after subtracting these we get 49 over 30. Okay, understand? Distance, look, this is an improper fraction, therefore we have to change the give this improper fraction into a mixed fraction by taking the division of 49 by 30. 31 is 30. 9 minus 0 is 9, 4 minus 3 is 1. Okay, then we get 1 whole 19 over 30. 19 over 30. This is the answer of this questions. Okay, if any student have doubt in this questions, please ask me on my personal WhatsApp number. Okay, students, thank you.